Renovating your home or property in San Diego can be an exciting journey, but it often comes with the challenge of dealing with waste and debris. That's where JunkMD Plus steps in, offering top-notch renovation waste removal services to ensure your project stays on track and eco-friendly. As your local expert in San Diego, we understand the importance of efficient cleanup during renovations, which is why we provide seamless solutions to manage the aftermath of any renovation. From hoarder cleanouts to construction debris removal, our experienced team is here to handle it all, so you can focus on enjoying your newly renovated space. Our team at JunkMD Plus is well-versed in handling all types of construction debris, including tiles, wood, wires, carpeting, rugs, and more. We ensure that your renovation site remains safe to work on and help minimize environmental impact by recycling as much waste as possible. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or overhauling an entire building, we have the muscle and know-how to get the job done efficiently. Our team works quickly and reliably, providing same-day service to whisk away your renovation rubbish. When you choose JunkMD Plus for your renovation waste removal needs, you can expect nothing but the best. Our professional team members are trained to adhere to strict safety standards, ensuring that your cleanup is done safely and efficiently. We follow all local regulations and laws when disposing of your waste, prioritizing eco-friendly practices every step of the way. With clear and fair pricing, friendly professionals, and a commitment to recycling, JunkMD Plus is your trusted partner for sustainable renovation waste removal in San Diego.